In the last bull season, EGLD grew by more than 9,000%. This is more than what coins like Bitcoin, BNB, and most coins in the top 50 did. This coin is the coin of the MultiversX ecosystem and is currently at number 50 on CoinMarketCap. Now the question is, why have I not reviewed this project? I'll do that in this video. I just downloaded the XPortal and I'll show you 2 money-making opportunities I will leverage within the MultiversX portal, my price prediction for the EGLD coin, and how you can communicate with me within the XPortal. Now, MultiversX used to be called Elrond 5 years ago when it was launched, but it's rebranded to MultiversX to expand its vision. It is a layer 1 project. The CEO and co-founder have been part of and invested in tens of blockchain projects, and he realized this, that some things were not done correctly and some things were missing and could be done much better. Let me play you these 2 clips.
Throughout the time, I've been either part of founding or core teams in several projects and so forth, but then also investing in tens, if not hundreds of startups in the space. So at that particular point in time, I was essentially aware of all the startups that were trying to solve different problems in the space, and then at the same time very up to date with everything that was in terms of academic literature on the subject. So the first idea while working on something else with my brother was just that realization that some things were not done correctly, that there was something missing, and that something could be done a lot better. We discussed with some of the startups that we invested in, and then thought about solving the problems with them, but then nobody really cared enough to solve the problems in the way that we thought was important.
This type of solution is so crucial the more you scale down the road. That's one aspect, and the second aspect that is even more crucial almost on the security side is something that we've just released 2 months ago, which is on-chain 2FA, a service that essentially removes 99% of the issues that users have at this point, just because it reproduces something that exists in Web2 in a way that is decentralized and built on top of the chain. So we're quite excited about the security part. With each passing day, with each new hack that we see, it almost validates that not only is scalability necessary, but then beyond having scalability, if you have security, security is the one thing you need in order to survive as you want to scale.
So that is the CEO, Benjamin Meku. The first clip was on things not done correctly and some things that were missing. The second video was more specific. How can scalability and security be done more correctly? And why can't we use Web3 applications as easily as we can use Web2 applications like X and Facebook? Let's put this to test, starting with scalability. The problem with early blockchains like Ethereum is scalability. Ethereum cannot scale. It can only process 30 transactions per second, and because of this, transaction can cost over $100 per transaction when the network is congested. This is why Ethereum have layer 2s to help it scale. MultiversX solved this by using sharding technology. It's basically solved the problem from the foundation. Let me give you an analogy. Let's say you have a piece of land and built a 3-story commercial complex on it, and business got better and you want to change this to a 10-story building, but you cannot because your initial foundation cannot handle a 10-story building. Your options might be to destroy some or the whole building and start again. What the sharding technology does is allow you to upgrade your foundation without destroying your building. So the sharding technology allows MultiversX to process 10,000 transactions per second, and this can scale on demand to 20, 30, and even 100,000 transactions per second. Currently, MultiversX can process up to 30,000 transactions per second. And the cost per transaction is not even up to 1 cent. Now, let's look at security. If you go to Google right now and type how much was stolen in DeFi in 2022, $6 billion. In 2023, $1 billion, lower because we are in the bear season. MultiversX has 2 security measures in the XPortal wallet. One is 2-factor authentication and 2 is the Invisible Guardian. When you enable the Invisible Guardian, even if your private key is compromised, your phone can still not be sent out of your wallet. This alone will eliminate the DeFi hacks from the MultiversX ecosystem. So far, scalability is checked, security is checked, and proof of stake and the 3,200 validated nodes on MultiversX can also check decentralization. Now, let's answer the question asked earlier. Why can't Web3 application be as easy to use as Web2 applications? MultiversX wants to take a lead in solving this with the XPortal, which is available to download in the App Store and the Google Play Store. The XPortal is a wallet and a Web3 portal. For a Web3 wallet, I can say that the XPortal user experience is quite astounding. Now, the wallet not only supports the Multiverse ecosystem, but also Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain. You can get started with your phone number, create your wallet and your hero tag, which is like your username. Mine is at Jude Umeano. You can chat me up here at chat with friend using my hero tag. I'll be looking forward to your message. Click here to win EGLD and here to complete quest and win XPs. Over here is a crypto debit card, but it's only available in Europe for now. In the hub, you can see the ecosystem applications and the metaverse. One of my money making strategy is the X Launchpad. Here, project comes to MultiversX team, they vet it and put it on the X Launchpad. And you can be an early investor by buying into the project before it gets to the market. There are no guarantees on the success of this project. However, 4 of them have been launched and so far they did quite well at their launch. Considering that they were launched in the bear season, I will expect a much higher return in the bull season. So I'll be looking forward to when the next project will be launching on the X Launchpad. My other strategy is to buy and stake the EGLD for the long run for up to 7% APY. You should, however, only do this if you believe the coin is going to appreciate in the next bull run. EGLD grew by 9,000% in the last bull run. What can it do in the upcoming bull run? One way to look at this is going to marketcapoff.com. EGLD current price is $42. If its price gets to its previous all-time high market cap, then EGLD will have done 9x from this price. If EGLD hits the market cap of AVAX in the last bull run, then EGLD will have done 27x. Personally, I believe that the MultiversX ecosystem is better than the Avalanche ecosystem, even though Avalanche has more tokens and applications on their platform. Now, even if EGLD doesn't hit the all-time high in the next bull run, I don't think that it will go below $50. And thus, my capital is safe and even increase with the staking reward I am receiving. This, however, guys, is my opinion and not financial advice. Always do your own research. All this said, I believe that EGLD will hit and surpass its all-time high for these 4 reasons. One is reputation. Its new and important partnership and collaborations include Google Cloud, Tencent, AWS, Exla, and Deutsche Telekom, the biggest telecom network in Germany. The just concluded XT event featured lots of prominent people, including the member of House of Lords of the United Kingdom. 2 is the platform and application. The XPortal has a better user interface and experience than any other Web3 application that I've used. XFabric, a no-code web builder. XWorld, enabling creation of augmented reality and metaverse world and experience. ZK Rollup, helping developers ship better apps faster and ultimately bringing more users. 3 is a team. From the inception of the project, they never stop building, researching, setting roadmaps, and meeting them. The recent upgrade include a 3 times improvement in TPS, a 6 times improvement in block time, and one-click wallet creation login using Google account. Then 4, marketing. $1 million were put up in the recent hackathon and won by 24 projects spanning AI, mobile apps, gaming, and the metaverse. I can't say for sure if the MultiversX ecosystem is going to blow up and EGLD grow by 30x or more in the next bull run. What I can say is that MultiversX ecosystem, use cases, application, fees, scaling mechanism, UI UX, launchpad, virtually everything within the ecosystem are top notch and serves users' need. With the right marketing and adoption, EGLD will definitely go over 30x in the next bull season. All links are in the description. See you guys in the next video.